Good morning, this is Jack from Charting Markets Crypto, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Friday, the 16th of January. My disclaimer, I do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some what I'm doing and learn from it, transfer it to your own charts. I'm not here to achieve trading signals. This is a video for paying subscribers at ctmcrypto.substack.com. It's published on YouTube after a delay of 3 days. Okay, in terms of Bitcoin, we're seeing a bit of a pullback from the high. We don't have any negative divergence. We've not got, well, I mean, we could set up a sell signal on the RSI 5 with another high retest, which we might well get. In terms of the hourly chart on Bitcoin, seen a bit of a pullback here. We're back at 95,506 with the current rally high at 97.9. We have reached the obvious trend line I've moved, and we've overshot it slightly. We will see how this goes. We do have, I'm going to check it in market in, but I'm pretty sure we're currently on a 60-minute sell signal, and it hasn't reached the possible near miss target yet. All right, looking at Solana, seeing a little bit of pullback as well. It's not an awful lot. We're back at 143. We did see a very, very small level top, too small to see on this breakdown with a target in the 138.5 area. We haven't reached that. We got as low as about as low as about 141. In terms of sell signals here, we don't have anything, but we did reach the target I was looking for, because I was looking for basically it to get up to this area, this high here, as the double bottom resistance, to break up slightly from it and then potentially fail. You can see the two highs, a little level top there. That's not enough. Generally speaking, I'd be looking for a larger topping patterns to form. So as far as I'm concerned, this is currently in a topping process. Ideally, it would go down a little more, then maybe come back up and retest the high, maybe form a head and shoulders, but we need a larger pattern. This actually would do very well. There's possible head and shoulder neckline down in the 132.58 area. So if we can get down there, put in a right shoulder, then I think we might be good to go. Looking at Ethereum, again, pulling back slightly from on the recent high. We're up at the daily upper band. We haven't quite reached this, the retest of this high here. We don't need to reach it. I'm thinking this more likely to be a triangle, or maybe a very slightly declining wedge with slightly declining on the top trend line. So we will see, or a triangle. We'll see, but I don't really have any expectations for this going higher. All of these are in the in acceptable top ranges to see a reversal back down, and I'm thinking we may well see that. So, but ideally, we'd see a couple of topping patterns form on Bitcoin and Solana, particularly setting up some downside. And at the moment, we're still waiting to see those. This looks on Bitcoin from the high. This looks currently like a bull flag, and I am wondering about retests of the highs. All right, great. Let's have a quick look at questions. No questions. In that case, I think that's a wrap. I'll catch you guys again on Monday, and everyone take care.